Ah, baby. Hello. It's 4:20. So it's not gonna be much of a challenge because I do my makeup high all the time. I may have already hit a bowl. Mind your business. Have you hit a bowl? You should. You should also go drink some water. I'm just saying you should. I'm just telling you what you should do. You should listen to me. You don't have to, you should. Last video we had Pluto. This video we got Cardi. Now he most definitely, he don't really like to be held. I figured when is the best time to do green than on 420, right? You guys aren't gonna see this today. But whatever, just know I was with you in spirit. Y'all know I never cared, never will care. So we gonna go. We're gonna have a little sesh. And then we're gonna hop into this makeup look. I'm hoping that this one's gonna be really cute. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna insert our inspiration. Isn't that so adorable? It's a Luna Moth. Absolutely adorable, baby gorgeous, and I want that on my face. Okay, you can leave. Don't touch my blunt. Don't touch my blunt. You can't have my weed. Would you like some? You can't have none of my pizza. It's a wine. Fine, you can have the pizza. But only one slice. Don't be greedy. Obviously, I got hungry. So I made pizza. Hi, baby. It's 11 o'clock at night. It took me all day, but I got there. I honestly was procrastinating. I made pizza, I had some wine, I got high, I freaking watered my plants, I played with the cats. I was procrastinating for a really long time. I don't know. I had a vision and it came out. I executed it. I did. I'm loving it. I'm loving the shape. I feel like, you know, the next time that I do it, it would be better. But it's fine. I hope that you enjoyed your 420. I love you. I hope that you're taking care of yourself. I hope that you're staying hydrated. And I hope you're getting ready for the summer. Because, man, it's hot. I'm gonna be real with you. The cat's taking a piss. I'll take this wig off. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, babe. I love you. Probably can't even hear me. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I love you. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. Make sure you love yourself because I do. And I'll be back next week. Isn't that so weird? I'll be back next week. You better be here next week. I'll be here next week.